All right, today we're going to be covering how to track your video content using FixYourFunnel and one of its automation tools. So inside of FixYourFunnel, we have this particular tool for connecting your Vimeo, Wistia, or YouTube videos and allows you to actually track the engagement and push that tracking into Keap versus trying to create some sort of other method using a pixel or anything like that. So doing and using this feature is actually going to allow you to track your video content. You're going to be able to track that engagement and apply unique tags inside of Keap. And that's going to allow you to create more dynamic campaigns, follow up better with your customers that are going through this video content than having some blanket emails or blanket text messages that really don't engage based on what the customer has actually done. So it's going to allow you to be a little bit more dynamic and more responsive to what the customer is actually doing. So some of the challenges obviously around video tracking altogether is one, if you're not using a simplified method like inside of FixYourFunnel, we have to come up with something like pixels, or we have to try and hire someone that can build us some custom like JavaScript or build something custom to my page so that I can actually track this engagement that I'm getting and actually kind of push that to my prospects. The other challenge is if I don't do any of that, I'm not tracking the video content, I'm just pushing it out, hoping that people read it, I'm then just kind of stuck on this linear type of campaign that doesn't really engage based on what the customer is actually doing. I'm doing the did you see it kind of emails. But if we kind of change the pace, we've seen lots of different customers actually take and add their video content into this video tracking feature and use this tactic. And one, it improves their overall, ROI, which is fantastic. You get a better return on your investment, which is always awesome. The other thing is that they're able to build more dynamic campaigns. They're able to get better responses from their customers. They're able to be more personable with their customers because you're able to see what they're actually doing. Did they watch it? How much did they watch? And kind of track all of that and apply unique tags in Keap. And then I'm able to do what I need to inside of Keap as far as that automation goes. So that gives me these abilities to, like I said, be more personable instead of going back to that blanket, did you see it statement. So I'm able to actually track people that didn't watch, people that watched, and people that finished the video to completion. I'm able to do a dynamic campaign based on those types of things. So setting it up is pretty simple. Inside of FixYourFunnel, all you're doing is you're getting a Wistia, Vimeo, or YouTube video. You have a unique ID connected to those, and you're going to be pushing that into FixYourFunnel. So you'll put your ID in there, and then from there, you set up your tags throughout your video. You can do tags based on percentages. You can do it based on certain moments of your video. So if you have a call to action somewhere inside of your video, you're able to apply a tag at that unique moment to actually track, did that person see my call to action? So you're able to set up those tags based on your Keap account. So obviously you can set up all your different custom tags inside of Keap, pull those through into the video tracking inside of FixYourFunnel. And then all it does afterwards is it creates some custom little code snippets that you just add onto your page. Super simple. It doesn't have to be overly complicated. You just add those code snippets onto your page, and that's going to allow you to just hit the ground running. Now, part of the process, it will have you connect it to a contact ID. So obviously we want to be sending these people to our videos from either an email inside of Keap, or even better, sending them through a text message inside of FixYourFunnel. That way we're able to connect their contact ID and track all of this fantastic information as they watch our videos. And like I said before, what this is all going to overcome is the did you see this message. Instead of sending, did you see the video I sent you, you're able to engage with the person about what they watched, about how much they watched. You can reference the moments of the video that they would have seen, anything like that, and you can hit the ground running in a more direct conversation with that customer. So again, this has just been a quick and simple video talking about video tracking and how important it is and how easy it is using FixYourFunnel versus trying to set up my pixels or hiring someone to build out something custom. When if you're already using FixYourFunnel for text messaging, I'm able to just take advantage of that automation tool, set up video tracking, engage with those customers, and have a higher percentage of customers that are re-engaging with me because I'm being more personal, more direct, and more casual about it instead of just sending these blanket market emails that are like, did you see the content that we sent you? So obviously you're going to have some benefits there. And if you do have any questions, as always, our support team is available to help. All of our support team is familiar with our video tracking features. We can help you get that set up. We can show you how the tagging works, and we can help you start creating those custom campaigns based on your video tracking. So as always, if you have any questions, reach out to our support team. Give us a call, 760-621-8199. Thanks.